1120 Sierra Place, Edmonds, Washington. I'm doing a camera inspection from a toilet flange here in the basement. Right now I'm sitting at the cast iron to concrete transition where there is a slight offset. I currently have a big skid on my camera, so I can't get past that offset right now. So I'm just going to record from here back. As we're pulling back through 4-inch cast iron pipe. And you can kind of see the condition of this cast iron. In a lot of spots my skid gets hung up on it. Some spots look better than others, but none of it looks ideal. We are close to the ocean here. We do have a lot of salt water in the air, or salt in the air from the morning dew. You can still smell it outside, and I'm sure there's salt in the ground, which is getting into this pipe and corroding it at a faster rate than it should. You can kind of see the debris from the pipe there. Pretty soon we're going to be pulling back into the underwater section. Ready to turn. Hung up on something there. I think the bottom is missing there because that is very hard to get past. Why turn? No, it's just a turn there. Now we're going back underwater for a little bit. You can see like cracking on the left hand side there, going down right above the water level. Consistently getting stuck on what I think to be sections of pipe missing on the bottom. There's something right there too in the water. I don't know what that is. Alright, on the right hand side there you can see some cracking. It could just be cracking coming in between the buildup of possibly grease or something on the side. Coming up out of the toilet flange here. There's my access. I'm going to end the recording there.